So these are Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ashley Carla and I am about to show you guys a Shop Missa A Haul. Some of my subscribers asked me to do a haul of some things that I got from Shop Missa A, and I decided to just do a collective haul because I did 2 orders and I'm going to put 2 of them together and show you guys what I got. Now first off, I've been shopping on Shop Missa A for like a couple years now. So it's definitely a brand that I personally have recommended to people over time. I have never had any problems with them. I mean, if you have had problems with them, let me know below, but I've never had any issues. I know them to be a brand that can be trusted, and yeah, everything on the website is usually $1. So basically it's like a dollar store, an online dollar store, but they usually have some products that are a little bit over $1. And usually if they're over $1, it's for charity or it's like a combo deal. So like something might be sold for, like it might be 5 things and they're selling it for like $6 or like $4 for 5 things kind of thing. So you guys can go ahead and check it out, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm gonna try my best to break them up into categories like maybe skincare, just random things, and makeup stuff, because I think based on my orders, those are usually the things that I get. So these are the packages from Shop Missa A. They're basically the same package, but this is roughly the amount of things that I have to show you guys. I'm not sure the number of items. By the end of the vlog I will know, or maybe in the caption it will say so you guys will already know the amount of things that I ordered. But I'm definitely gonna go through and show you guys everything and what I think about the products personally. Okay, so I decided that I wanted to start with some of the bamboo products that Shop Missa A has. I don't know if all of the bamboo products that they have are a part of this brand called Oki, I guess. I'm not sure, but I am a fan of these products that they have because they're bamboo and it's sustainable, and if something is sustainable I'm more likely to get it. So this first thing is a toothbrush holder. I thought it was a very sleek design and eco-friendly. Love the idea of having like a bamboo toothbrush holder. I travel quite a bit, so something like this was definitely an essential. Along with the toothbrush holder, I also got like a toothbrush, and this is also a bamboo toothbrush. They do have charcoal bristles. I mean, I don't know how effective charcoal bristles are, but usually when I see a toothbrush with charcoal bristles, I am more inclined to buy it because I have sensitive teeth and I prefer using something with charcoal to whiten my teeth than to use like a chemical, because it doesn't bother my teeth as much as a chemical would. So, and the main question that you guys might ask is probably if this toothbrush can hold in here, and it can, but it fits perfectly. I think I've tried this with a regular toothbrush, but I think a regular toothbrush should fit, since this one fits perfectly. It closes and everything, so it's a really nice combo. Each of them was $1, so yeah. Okay, so I also got these chopsticks from the bamboo collection that they have as well. It's just something that I picked up. I've always wanted to just get reusable chopsticks instead of using the ones that come at the Chinese restaurants. So these are bamboo. I do eventually want to get like some maybe like some metal ones, but these are pretty good. Can wash them, use them again. Bamboo, and I like the fact that it's from bamboo. And then the last thing that I got that was from their bamboo collection was this soap dish. I gifted my mom a gift set from a brand here in Jamaica, and I really liked the wooden soap dish thing that she got. So when I saw this on the website, I decided to pick up one for myself. As I said, I like things like this. I'm into like natural things, you know, so bamboo is like very much my aesthetic. So I decided to get it. As I said, it's sustainable and it won't break down. I prefer this instead of buying a plastic soap holder. I just think it looks better in the bathroom. It looks a lot sleeker, and I always see them in like boutique hotels and stuff here in Jamaica, so I thought it was nice to get. And this is the last thing that I got from that bamboo collection. So we're gonna move into some makeup stuff, and I'm gonna start with some makeup brushes just because it's kind of continuing the trend of like the wooden stuff. These, I'm not sure if they're bamboo. If they are bamboo, I will put it on the screen. But I decided to get a few of these brushes. They do sell some of them in sets. MISCELLANEOUS has really good makeup brushes. Even a makeup artist here in Jamaica tells me that she gets some of her brushes from there. This one is really soft and the quality is very good. I mean, a brush for $1. It kind of reminds me of like when elf brushes were a thing and everybody used to buy them for like $1. It's the same thing, but I think the qualities of these are probably a little better, I would say. And I like the bamboo finish. These are from the AOA Studio brand that they carry on Shop Missa. I think this brand is exclusive to Shop Missa. And I always tell people, like, if you see somebody selling this is for my Jamaicans, not for anybody else watching overseas, but for my Jamaicans. If you see any makeup store or any online store selling a brand, any item that's under the AOA Studio brand, just know that they bought it for $1. And if they're selling it more than like 200, 300 Jamaican dollars, don't buy it. Buy it online. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. That's just how I feel. So I also got this one. I use this one a lot, like if I am using like my bronzer. I love fluffy brushes like this. This one is just as soft as the other one. And I also got these 3 eye brushes. This one I use for like my eyes. This is the E140, by the way. I will put them on the screen so you guys can get a closer look at them and the numbers as well. And I will also link them below so of the exact brushes that I got. And this one, the E144. This one I use for my brows. You can also use this like as an eyeliner brush if you want to. And I use this on my eyes to like pat in like shadow if I'm doing like a cut crease kind of vibe. And this is the E143. So those are the brushes that I got. I'm really excited to talk about this item. This item that I'm going to talk about is my most highly recommended product from Shop Missa. It's also a part of the AOA Studio brand. Now their AOA Studio brand is what they use for their makeup products. I think makeup products and skincare products are what are under this brand primarily on Shop Missa. If you watch my vlogs, you'd have seen when I ordered this one. So the thing with Shop Missa is that they sell different kinds of beauty blenders, right? I don't know if you remember when beauty blenders were a big thing and then these came out on Shop Missa and everybody was buying them. I had bought some years ago and I literally just threw it away, like probably last week when I got this new one, right? But I initially ordered this one, not sure which one of the blenders I got the last time. It was a black one, but I wasn't sure if all of them were the same. However, I'm here to tell you that not all the beauty blenders on Shop Missa are the same. So the one that's called the Wonder Blender is the one that I will recommend over and over again. It's very different. By the way, disclaimer, a lot of the things, I don't know if I said this before, but a lot of the things I've already been using, so if they look a little dirty, that is why I'm using these products. Now this one is the one that I will always recommend. I'm gonna put this down below and put in bracket black beauty blender so you guys know. But this one is like the best beauty blender to me on the market. It blends your makeup really good. Very skin like, very nice. And then this one I don't really love as much. Some people do prefer brushes like this. I think this one is more of like a silicone type. It's still squishy, it's soft, but this is a lot softer. And this one, it feels a little bit more I don't know how to explain it, but I think usually people call these like more silicone brushes, and these tend to make your makeup, they don't absorb as much product, I think, or do they? I don't remember. But this one just doesn't blend the same as this blends seamlessly. This one doesn't. I'm gonna link both of them below. You guys can choose which one you want to get. I tend to use this one for doing my powder under my eyes because I think it does a better job, and I use this for my liquid and cream, foundation and concealer products. So I highly recommend this, the Wonder Blender. Now, speaking of the Wonder Blender, they have some minis. Now I haven't actually opened this one yet, but they do have mini wonder blenders, and I decided to get this one. I haven't opened it yet, but it's basically the tiny version of this. I got this to use under my eyes, and I'll probably use it one of these days, but I just thought it was also so cute because it's just so tiny. So yeah, but these blenders, holy grail, they're only $1. They're easy to stock up on, so if you want to get some beauty blenders, Shop Missa is the plug, I promise you. The next items on my list are these lip colors that I got a dark red and a bright red. I'm not a huge fan of red lips, right, on me, but I actually really love this combo. The consistency of this is very nice. It's a really nice matte lipstick. It doesn't come off too easily either. I think it will last you. I mean, you might need to do touch-ups, but I think it's a really good quality product for the price. It's only $1. This is called the Wonder Matte lipstick. This color that I got is 2045 in the color Crush, and this one is 2047 in the color Sugar. I'm gonna link them below. And this one is called the Wonder Metal liquid lipstick. Now this is like more of a metal color consistency. It's a brown. I bought it just to try and see how it would look on me. This is not really my type of lip product, but I know a lot of people can definitely pull these metallic type of lip colors off. I am not one of those people. I think this would probably work better for me if it was like in a red. Maybe a metallic red would be fun, or like a peachy nude metallic color, but this one on me, I haven't been able to master it. However, I think I need to try this one with like a dark brown color underneath and see how that looks. But I definitely like them as products. I think they're very good. If you want a metallic lip color and you want to try them, only $1, you can go on there and try it out. Definitely recommend these, highly recommend these. The color is really good, very bright, very pigmented, really pretty. I'm showing you guys a swatch on the screen, and yeah, highly recommend. So next thing on my list are these makeup wipes. Now I've bought these wipes before and they're really good wipes. For the price, I don't think you can beat it. There's not much to say about these. It's just a makeup wipe is a makeup wipe, you know what I mean? These only have 15 in them, but for $1 I think it's a pretty good buy. I mean, I'm just saying, the packaging is very nice, and that's one thing about Shop Missa products, is that even though it's just $1, the packaging is very nice, and I have to give it to them. They have different kinds. This one is mango. They have like different ones, like I think peppermint and tea tree, which is really cool for the skin. So I would definitely recommend like checking out their makeup wipes. It's really good. The next things I got were these eyeliner pencil. It's just a regular beauty store eyeliner for $1. Honestly, in Jamaica it makes sense ordering these for $1. I know in the States maybe buying this for $1 might not be the smartest thing, because maybe you can get them for a couple cents. I'm not sure. You can let me know, and you guys can check the website and let me know. But this is just the LA Color lip liner pencil, and this one is the LA Color Ultra eyeliner. So this is in black and this is in brown for my lips. I use this on my lips. As I said, each of them is $1 in Jamaica. Buying one for $1, I mean, I think it's a little bit cheaper than buying it out here. But in the States, I'm not really sure if buying each of these for $1 makes sense. Y'all can let me know, as I said before. And then the next thing that I got that's also a part of the AOA line is this blush. Now, I've been dabbling into blushes. This one is called the Hush. I think Hush is the color, or maybe, no, I think the color is called Shy. And it's a cream sheer blush. It's very pretty, a very pretty blush. I like it a lot. I mean, it's pigmented. It shows up on the skin. A little goes a long way, so I think this is gonna last me a very long time. Initially when I got it, I thought it was very tiny, but I mean, for $1, you know, what are we complaining about, right? But in terms of the color payoff, I think it definitely is worth the $1, you know, because I think this will definitely last you a long time. especially if you have like a lighter skin tone than me. This is gonna show up even easier on your skin, so it's gonna, a little is definitely gonna go a long way. Okay, so the last two things I want to show you guys for makeup is this AOA Studio Liquid Concealer. Now I bought this to kind of try it out and see what the consistency would look like and the coverage, and I think this is a decent concealer. I decided to buy like a dark color that I could use for a contour, you know, kind of shade, instead of going for a light color that I would use as a highlight. And the reason for this is that I feel like we can get away with using a cheaper product as a contour color than we can get away with a cheap product using as a highlight, you know, because with the under eyes you don't want to use a product that's going to crease very easily. I don't know if this creases easily. I haven't tried a light color underneath my eyes. If you want to try it, you can. I mean, it's only $1. Why not? I think I definitely will buy and try it though, because I like the pigment of this. It's pretty nice. It's the coverage is decent as well. It's more like a medium coverage, I would say, like more medium coverage, which is fine. I think it's definitely buildable, and I think for the price you can't beat it. A lot of the things with Shop Missa is that for the price you can't really beat what you're getting, even though a lot of the products are really worth, like it feels like they're worth more than they cost. And the last thing is this eyelash curler. It's very not eyelash curler, oh my god, it's not an eyelash curler, it's what do you call it? It's like that thing that you put on your eyes when you're doing a mascara to not mess up your face. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna put the name on the screen, but I decided to get this. It's only $1, and I'm always messing up my face when I'm doing my eyes. This part I use for my lower lashes, and then this part I use for my upper lashes. And as you can see, there's a lot of mascara on it because it definitely comes off on this, because instead of it going on your skin like when you're doing your mascara, like if you do your mascara very messy like me, then something like this is useful. And I find that also when I use this, my mascara looks better because it's not clumped on my lashes or anything, because this gives it the opportunity to spread out, you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna get into like just some general items that I picked up before I do skincare, because I bought quite a bit of skincare stuff and I really want to get into talking about them. So now this is a soak off nail clip set that I got. I haven't opened it yet, but I can right now. It's a soak off nail set. So I bought this because, so I do press on nails, but whenever I do say acrylic or anything that I want to soak off, these will come in handy because I can just do it at home. You put like the cotton and stuff on your finger, and then you just use this to hold the cotton that you have soaked in acetone like on your nail. So instead of you using like say the foil paper on your fingers, you can just use these to soak your nails off. This toothbrush, not toothbrush, this toothpaste thing that you use to, I don't know what it's called, guys. I can only show you. So I have my toothpaste here, and basically you put it in there so that you don't have to like manually squeeze your toothpaste. So it will just always, hold on, it will just always be at the top like that. So it does that thing, I don't know, what do you call it, like winds your toothpaste. And this is a part of the OKey thing, and OKey actually means official key item, so that's what it means. So I got it in a purple. They have different colors. I actually bought like 3 of these, and I gave one to my mom. I bought one for my sister and I bought one for myself. But basically it can stand as well, like on your sink, or if you put it in your cupboard or wherever you store your toothpaste. So I thought it's really just like one of those little like little knickknacks that you can get for your bathroom, and I liked it, you know. So only for $1. I think each of them cost $1, I think. So yeah, that's one of the things that I got. So another random thing that I got was this phone grip. I thought it was very cute, so I decided to get it. I haven't used it yet. I haven't used it yet, but I personally like using phone grips on my phone because I'm less likely to drop it if it has a phone grip on it. Apparently this can extend to hold your finger in there, and it can collapse to be more flat. I thought this one was very cute, so I got it. I haven't used it yet. I'm definitely going to be using it soon. I think I'm going to buy more of these though. I don't know how adhesive it is, like if it sticks on as well as a pop socket, but for $1, you know, why not try it out and see. So another thing that I got was this AOA Studio blender, makeup blender holder thing, and I thought this was really cool. You can just put it on your desk. I always see people with them, but I never got to buying one, but since I saw it on the website and it was only $1, I just picked up one up. I thought it's convenient because usually when I'm doing my makeup it gets messy, and instead of messing up like my table or my makeup area, I can just put it in this to prevent that. Another random thing is this cable clip. I've been wanting to get one of these since I DIY'd my room. By the way, if you are new here, I DIY'd my whole room. Well, not DIY'd my whole room, but I did a room makeover. If you want to watch that, I'm gonna link it in the cards above. And when I got my table, I was telling myself that I wanted to get one of these. I saw them on Amazon for different prices, but this one was only $1, so I decided to get this one. So basically what you do is that you put this on your table and you are able to organize your cords. So whether that's like your charging cords for like your phone, your laptop, whatever it is, they will be organized in here. So instead of them looking all cluttered on your desk, they will be going through here, and it just looks a lot neater, a lot more organized. So I decided to pick one up. Only $1. Haven't put it on my desk yet, but I'm going to. I'm assuming it has like an adhesive thing on the back. Based on the instructions on this, it does, so that it's able to stick on the desk without like slipping. My next random purchase was this styling hair clip. I always wanted to get some of these, and they sell a 2-pack for $1. These are just hair clips, like if you're styling your hair and you want to be able to hold up your hair out of your face. I'm just opening this. So this is what it looks like, you know, regular clips, nothing exciting. Oh, and the other thing that I said I wanted to show you guys in the makeup section were these lashes. And I've been seeing, like, even on their Instagram page, they have been reposting some people posting about their lashes. I thought these looked really nice and I wanted to just try them out. These are definitely not $1. They do have lashes that cost $1, but this specific one, it's like their premium vegan mink lashes, and they call them bionic vegan mink, and they're from the AOA Pro line. I think this lash is called Urania, and I really liked how it looked. I thought it was very pretty, so I decided to kind of grab one and see how I liked it, and then if I did like it, I would order more of them. So I thought it was very nice, so I'll definitely be ordering more of these lashes. The next random thing is this door thing. I don't remember what it's called. But you put this on your keychain, and basically what this is, especially now that we're going through COVID, this is really ideal. Like when you want to press buttons, like elevator buttons or buttons to get inside of a place, I don't know, like a random place, you can use this to press the buttons instead of using your fingers. And then you can also use this to open doors. So if you can use this to pull the door handle to pull it open instead of you using your hand to pull the door. So you can just put it on the door and use it to pull open the door. So this is for like my germaphobes. I thought it would be cool to get one. I've always wanted one, so when I saw it on their website, I grabbed it. This is also from the Oki line, which is the, what they call it, the essentials line. So especially with COVID, I think this is really good. They also have like an opener on it. This will definitely be able to open like bottles, beer bottles and stuff like that, and it has a bunch of different little things that you can use. But the primary reason why I got it was for opening like doors and pressing like elevator buttons and things like that now that we're in COVID. Next random thing I got to go with my new desk setup was this cable bites. Now these are pretty popular. A lot of people use them, especially iPhone users, because you know if you have an iPhone that the cords usually break very easily. So I decided to get one of these. I mainly got this for my laptop charger so that to protect it from bending when I'm charging. So this is the reason why I got one. They have different kinds, but I decided to get a little dog because I love dogs. So that's why I got this one. This was $1 as well. The next random thing I got were these. Since it's Christmas, I decided to get these. I'm gonna show you guys what they are properly because I don't think you guys can tell what they are in the package. So basically, and they actually sent an extra clip in there, which is really nice actually. But basically what this is, they didn't send the actual clip, guys. It's broken. Never mind, it's broken, but we can just use like some hot glue or some crazy glue and put it back on there. It's fine. It's only $1. It's like whatever. But this one, basically what you do is you put it in your hair and they look like little Rudolph ears. And I thought it was so cute, so I got it. So it's broken, so I can't show you properly, but basically you put it in your hair like this, and I just thought it was cute. It's just a random thing that I bought like 2 of them. I gave my mom one and I told her that we could twin on Christmas with these. Just something random, thought it was cute, you know. They also had like some New Year's ones, I think, like some, you know, those little New Year things. I thought about buying one, but I was just like I didn't feel like spending $1 on that when I could buy scrunchies. So I picked up these scrunchies. As you can see, there's literally only one left on it. I have 2 in my hair right now, so I have 2 here in my hair, and I gave my mom 3 of these, I think. No, I gave my mom 2 out of this, so I only have like 3 of them left. And they're supposed to look like silk hair ties, but we both know that silk wouldn't be costing $1 for these, but I guess they're like imitation silk. But I liked it because I have like the bigger versions to these, and I decided to just get this pack of 5 because, you know, why not get hair ties. Another thing that I bought that I wanted to kind of try this before I did this video, which is why it took so long to do it, to be honest. This is, I'm trying to find the little sticker thing that was on the top, but this is basically boob tape, and I've been wanting some boob tape, but I decided that I was gonna try this one to see if it works since it only costs so little. I don't remember if this was $1 or if it was like $1 and some cents. I'm gonna put it on the screen, the cost of it, but this one definitely is used for charity. So the purchase of this one goes to support children's education. So this is definitely not $1, but I thought I would buy it and try it out to see how well it worked for the price. I haven't tried it yet. I mean, I'll probably try it in I'll probably try it and just like let you guys know in my vlog if it works well. But for right now, I haven't tried it yet. So if you want to make the purchase and try it yourself, you can. It costs $1, so I feel like, you know, why not? It's $1. It's fine. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna go into the things that I got for my skincare. Firstly, I got this. This is not skincare, but this was for my hair, and this is a microfiber drying towel, like hair towel. I've always wanted one of these, so I decided to get one since it was only $1. I got one for me and one for my mom. She actually uses this as well, and she used hers up to this weekend. I thought it was really good for the price. It's very soft, and it's really good for drying your hair. So if you want, like, if you use these, then shopping for them on Shop Missa is like a good idea because you can get one for just $1. So the first thing I got was this headband, which I use sometimes to put around my hair if it is that I have a hairstyle that tends to get into my face, and this helps keep my hair out of my face when I'm doing my skin. Whoops, but y'all get the idea. That was $1. The next thing I got was this microfiber towel or rag, whatever you want to call it. This is a part of the AOA Studio line. This is a very good like washcloth. It's just like a washcloth, and I typically use a rag on my face to dry my face, and I usually change it pretty often. So I decided to get one of these for like when I want to dry my face, but I find that I've actually been using this to wash my face as well, especially like when I have lashes on or anything where I don't want to get wet on my face too much. I tend to use this, and it's really good. I also use it, as I said, to dry my face after I wash it. I want to definitely get more of these because I think this is definitely a good purchase. I'll probably get a couple more. It's really soft, so you don't have to worry about it being too rough on your skin. It's very soft, so it's definitely not doing anything to your skin at all. And the next thing I got was this Gasha. So of course, this, we both know, well, if you know about skincare, a Gasha is definitely not something that you'd get for like $1. So I mean, you're getting what you pay for, but this is, if you're not familiar with what this is what you use like when you want to like get fluid out of your face and contour the face. I typically use this. I've used it quite a bit. It's not the best shape for my face because obviously I bought it for $1, so it's not going to be the best one ever, but it works for what it is. It's been working for me so far. So if you want to get like an inexpensive one and you want to start trying doing this, implementing this into your skincare, it's definitely an option until you can afford to upgrade and get like a real one. This one is a part of the AOA Studio, and as I said, I got it for $1, so that was no problem. Following up on the skincare tools, I also got this, and to be honest, I haven't really been using it much because I don't know how big I expected it to be, but it ended up being really tiny, and I just feel like it's kind of small. You can still use it, but I feel like I prefer something a lot bigger that covers more like surface on my face, you know. But I still think it's good for like the under eyes if you want to like get rid of, you know, puffiness or anything like that. It's the same green as the Gasha stone, but obviously for $1 it's not the real type of stone that you typically would put on something like this, but it is what you get for $1, you know. AOA Studio as well, only $1. If you want to just, you know, gift it to somebody as a starter kit, completely fine, you know. It does what it needs to do. And then the next thing I actually got this a while back. I think I got this probably a year or two ago, and I decided to include it in this haul. So this is like a mask applicator. So usually I would, instead of using my hands, you know, because sometimes it gets messy when you use your hands, so sometimes I prefer to use this. And what it is that you would typically use this to scoop your face mask out and then apply it to your face. So instead of you using your fingers, you use this instead, and it applies pretty well. It's made from silicone, so it easily washes off, and it's also from the AOA Studio line. As I said, AOA Studio carries makeup stuff and skincare stuff, and I think it's a pretty decent brand, to be honest, for the price point that you are getting it for. Okay, so the next set of things that I'm going to get into are these. Now, these are basically cleansing cloths. Usually we tend to buy these in the cotton form, but I decided to get it in a cloth form instead. These are also from AOA Studio because I just thought that this was like a more like sustainable and eco-friendly way of going about your skincare instead of using like cotton. The next two things that I got were these bottles. Now, AOA sells a lot of like travel essential type of bottles. This one is a pump bottle, so if you have like a cream, like a serum, or like a cream serum that you usually carry like as your skincare and you want to be able to carry it through TSA, this is a good alternative to get this bottle. Even you could even put lotion in this if you want to, but it has the perfect little pump thing for lotion and serum. So I got this because as I said, I travel a lot, and sometimes you might not want to carry like all of your product with you. You just want a small container. So I decided to get this so that I could put some of my products in this. I plan on buying more, but I bought a small amount just to see what it looks like first. I tend to do that with Shop Missa, by the way, so that's a tip. If you want to just see what something looks like in real life first before you purchase like a greater quantity, I recommend buying them first, looking what they look like, and then deciding if you want to buy more. So that's what I did with these. I think each of them were $1. I do also think they sell them in sets, so if you're interested in getting a set, you can do that as well. But as I said, I didn't want the set. I only wanted these specific ones, which is the spray one, and the pump one. Now this spray one currently has my toner in it, and I got it specifically for my toner because, as I told you guys before, I like to spray my toner on my face. So this is why I got this. It works perfectly. For the price, you can't beat it. I definitely plan on getting more of these for my skincare routine. And as we're actually talking about toner, the toner in this is actually from Shop Missa, and I'm gonna get into that a little bit later. So the next tool that I got for skincare was this skincare scoop, and I absolutely love this. It's so nice. It's from AOA Studio as well. It's a rose gold skincare scoop, and I got this because I like to use this instead of putting my fingers in some of my products. I just like using this instead. I use this with another product that I got from Shop Missa, and I'm going to show you guys that product in a minute. But if you are a skincare person and you want to get a makeup scoop, you can definitely get one on Shop Missa. This was $1. It's a good quality product. It's a little heavy as well, like it's not super light, like it's metal, you know, like rose gold metal. I think I'll definitely buy probably 2 more of these just to have. Why am I throwing things? Just to have. And yeah, this green tea plus vitamin A skin balm. Like, no, this is a cleansing balm, and I want to talk about this because I bought it to go with the skincare. Well, I bought the skincare scoop to use this product. That's what I'm saying. And I bought this size because I wanted to test it out and to see if I liked it. I was thinking of buying this cleansing balm that I saw on Sephora, and I saw this one and it was $1. I think it was $1 and some cents, and I decided that I would buy it and see whether I liked it or not. And guys, like this, I love it. I love it. They have a bigger size, and I'll definitely be buying the bigger size to this. I'm probably, when I go back to buying, I'm definitely gonna buy the bigger size, and I'm probably gonna buy 2 of them instead of 1. The bigger size though, I think is like $7. So that's one product that isn't $1, but that's because of the quantity of the product that you're getting. I mean, it's not that much bigger, but it's a bigger container for what it is. And this is a cleansing balm. If you don't know what a cleansing balm is, it's just what you use to get makeup off of your skin and oil and anything, like when you're doing a double cleanse routine. And I typically use a double cleanse routine because my pores tend to get clogged very easily, and I have issues with that, and this definitely helps my skin a whole lot. I have used other cleansing balms like from Dermalogica. I love my Dermalogica cleansing balm, but if you don't want to spend on a cleansing balm like that at that price point, I highly recommend this. Even on the website, this has great reviews as well. So don't just take my word for it. Like, this product is really good, and I'm glad I bought it to try it. Now, earlier I talked about my toner that I put in this bottle, and the toner is actually one that I purchased from Shop Missa. Now, they have a lot of skincare stuff on Shop Missa, and they stock a lot of Korean skincare products, and you know, Korean skincare is very much the rave right now. So I decided that I would also check out this. I think these are under the same I mean, it's under the same AOA skincare brand, but I think all of these products are from like Korean skincare type things, you know. So this is like a AHA, BHA, PHA toning solution. It says that it exfoliates and cleanses. I like using it. I haven't had any reactions to using it. I have definitely implemented it into my routine now, and I definitely think I will be purchasing this again. This packet was $1, and this packet was enough to fill this. So it's a good amount of product. So you get this for $1, and this is the amount that you get. I've used quite a bit of it, so just imagine this being almost full to the brim. So that's the amount that you get from this. Okay, so getting into some more skincare, and these are the last things that I'm gonna talk about. The last set of things that I'm gonna talk about is their face mask. Now, I've already used one. Well, sorry, let's back up real quick. Ooh. Okay, so let me talk about these. Okay, so these are their invisible acne patches. If you don't know about acne patches, I think they are one of those new things that people have been using a lot of in the skincare world, and basically what it is just like a little sticker looking thing that you put on top of a pimple just to prevent it from breaking out any more than it already is. This one has tea tree and CICA in it, and it says it absorbs impurities and protects, blends seamlessly, hydrocolloid technology, and it has 12 patches. Now, I definitely recommend these. I think for the price, it's only $1 for this pack. I believe I bought it for $1. You get 12 patches in there, and I definitely think instead of spending money on like the more expensive brands that sell these, like in Sephora, I think this is a better purchase for $1. And last but not least, my loves, we're gonna talk about these masks that I got on Shop Missa. Now, firstly, Shop Missa is known for their masks. They carry a lot of face masks, especially like Korean skincare type face masks, but I decided to pick up these two. I actually got 3, but I already used one of them. But these two that I have is the whole green water and ceramide face sheet mask, and this one is good for restoring the skin barrier because it's really hydrating. And then this one is the Niacinamide and CICA 7 calming complex. I think this one is just like a really nice soothing mask. It's good for brightening with the niacinamide, and these are products that I usually get in my skincare products. Like, they're chemicals that I tend to always gravitate to, so because they had them in face mask form, I decided to grab these. The one that I had used was an exfoliating mask, and that was when my skin was kind of clogged up, so I ended up using that one. And speaking of face masks, I also got this mask kind of holder. It's a face mask holder, so you put it on your face like this, like you would a face mask, and what it does is that it holds your face mask on your face. I look so crazy right now, but this is what this is for, and I really like it because it actually it makes it able for you to press the mask into your skin, which I really like. So, you know, I think it's a nice thing to add to your face mask, so I decided to copy it. It was $1, as everything else is $1. These face masks were $1, and that's really it. That is my haul from Shop Missa. This has been a very long video. I am sorry, but this was my haul. I bought a lot of things, and I wanted to show you guys everything so that you guys could, you know, check them out, see the stuff that I bought, get some ideas of things that you can get yourself, and also maybe get some of the exact things that I got if you're into the same kind of products. They also have different things, other different things that you guys can look into, like hair accessories, like underwear, you know, like a bunch of different things. It's like a one-stop dollar store. I don't even know how to describe it, but they have a lot of products and things that you can buy on Shop Missa. So if you're interested, you can check out the link below. If you're interested in purchasing from them, I have linked absolutely everything that I have bought from them in the description box below. You guys, it will make it a lot easier for you guys to shop if you're interested in any of these products. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name again is Ashley Carla. I'm a lifestyle and travel content creator here on Instagram. So if you want to check out some of my content, I'm gonna leave them on the end screen at the end of this haul. You know, you can check out some of my vlogs and my travel content here around Jamaica. I am based in Jamaica, so if you are coming soon and looking for places to visit, you can check out my end screen, and I'm gonna show you some recommendations of videos you can get into. If you aren't ready to subscribe yet, you can check out more of my content and then subscribe, right? I'm also doing Vlogmas, so definitely check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment below what item you think you're going to be grabbing on Shop Missa, and let me know if you have shopped on Shop Missa ever before. I definitely want to hear your feedback. Thanks so much again for watching.